Do you struggle with how many keys you have to your house? Are you a property manager, a landlord, and maybe you feel like you're giving tenants way too many keys? This house, for example, has 6 exterior entrances. So we're looking at maybe 6 different locks plus screen doors. Kwikset has this amazing tool that you can rekey a house in like 30 seconds per lock. And so basically all you need is you have one expensive new locks. When a tenant moves out, you should be rekeying the house. You want to make sure that tenant has the only key to the house, and then we have a copy. So there's 2 copies, theirs and ours. If you're not changing the locks between tenants, there's some liability there where maybe the previous tenant kept a key or a vendor had a key or something weird like that. So what we want to do is every time a new tenant moves in, we're going to rekey the property. So if we're buying the Kwikset locks, they're a few dollars more, not crazy actually. You're rekeying this entire house, relocking this entire house, so 6 sets. Now every time a tenant moves out, you have about a 30-second time to change, to rekey each lock. It's so simple. You basically take this, the key, put it in, turn it sideways, pop it with this, pull the key out, put a new key in, twist it, and now it's rekeyed. You can walk throughout the house and do each of those way faster. Now instead of giving each tenant front door, side door, back door, screen door, you're now giving them one key. Tenants appreciate it. They have one key now for every entrance. We appreciate it because we now have one key that we need to keep at the office to make our life much easier. And then when they move out, we're collecting that one key and we can quickly change the lock. So if they kept a key, maybe they lost a key, it doesn't matter. We've gotten rid of that key and we have a whole new key. So it's much easier, much simpler, and safer liability wise. Tenants like it, we like it, and a homeowner, you would love it too. Check it out.